Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your project, repository, and service connections are ready. This avoids permission errors later. Next, decide which artifact type you need: pipeline artifact for CI handoff, universal package for binary distribution, or a NuGet/pipeline feed for packages, because each has different retention and consumption behavior. Once chosen, create or edit a YAML pipeline and add checkout and build steps. You're doing this now so the pipeline produces the files that you will publish immediately after the build finishes. Now configure the publish task that takes your build outputs and registers them in Azure DevOps. In YAML, use the publish keyword pointing to $build, artifact staging directory, and give a clear artifact name. In classic pipelines, add publish pipeline artifact or publish build artifacts tasks with explicit paths. Make sure to set retention and versioning so artifacts aren't pruned unexpectedly, and assign feed or pipeline permissions if sharing across teams. Once done, run the pipeline to validate the artifact appears in the Pipeline's Artifacts tab. To finish, wire artifact consumption into your release or downstream pipeline using download pipeline artifact, restore task, or package restore against the feed. Reference the artifact name and version you published. Make sure to update deployment jobs to point at the correct staging path so your deploy step finds files. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting by checking agent logs, verifying the artifact path and artifact name, and confirming service connection and feed permissions. Those are the most common causes of missing or inaccessible artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.